Children, we will perform UV experiment to find focal length of a convex lens, single convex lens. So we have two convex lenses here. You can see these are the two convex lenses. This lens is thick. Its focal length, you can see this is thick. Its focal length is 10 centimeter and this is thin. So you can compare the thickness of the two lenses. So this second lens is thin and its focal length is 15 centimeter. And focal length of this lens is 10 centimeter. So this is thicker than the second lens. So this is thin near the edges. So this is a thin lens, its focal length gets increased. Whenever we take a thin lens, then the focal length gets increased. So normally we give this lens to the experiment in the examination. So here this is an optical bench. So this is an optical bench. And you can see the total length of this optical bench. This is starting from 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, and children, at the other end you can see this is 100 centimeter, 99, and so 1 meter is written. So our optical bench is 1 meter long. It has 3 uprights. So this is the first upright with a holder. So this upright is holding an optical pin. This upright is with the lens holder. So we keep the lens here. So how can we keep the lens here? We can raise this, and children, we can place the lens here exactly in this way. So we can place the lens here. So these are the screws given to mount the lens on the lens holder. So this is the second upright, and children, you can see that there is a pointer. Using this we can find the position. So this gives the position of the pins and the lens. So these are the pointers attached. This is the second pin and the upright. So this upright is holding another pin. So children, we have 2 optical pins for UV experiment and a lens holder. So children, I am showing you one optical pin. So this is an optical pin. But children, you can see this optical pin is very sharp. So it may cause an injury. So whenever you perform an experiment, try to keep your eyes, even yourself, away from the optical pins. So take the reading from a distance, otherwise you may get hurt. So children, what we have to do, we have already obtained the approximate focal length. Now we will keep the object pin. So this is the object pin, and children, we have to displace the object pin in such a way that it comes at 0 centimeter mark. So now I am showing you how this is at 0 centimeter mark. So you can see that this is exactly at 0 centimeter mark. So this I have kept at 0 centimeter. Children, you may be asked to keep the lens at any position. So for this experiment, right now I am keeping the lens at 50 centimeter mark. So I have kept the lens at 50 centimeter mark. You can see the lens. It is exactly at 50 centimeter mark. So we have fixed the object pin at 0, and the lens at 50. So this is the lens which is placed at 50 centimeter. Now children, we will move the image pin. So before doing the experiment further, your first part will be you remove the pin which is near you. So the pin which is away from you, that will be called an object pin. This is the lens, and the pin which is near you, that will be called image.